Hello guys, how you doing? It's Gavin here from Starfresh Personal Training, and I'm going to take you through my lunch today. So I'm in the kitchen. How good's that? So I do all my own cooking pretty much, and I cook for the family, so it doesn't really bother me that much. But whole food meal, really easy. Okay, you got to be a little bit prepared. I wasn't today, so I'm going to try and make something up on the op, as it were. So I'm going to probably pause in between stuff, but I'm going to tell you. How long it's going to take me from start to finish, and if I can do it, guys, you can do it. Do you know what I mean? So it's 2:06. Okay, by my clock right now. I hope to have this done by at least 1:15. Job done. 10 minutes to prepare, and that's including making some hummus as well with the chickpeas. So I'm going to go through my my ingredients. I'm not going anything out. I'm going to go through real time pretty much for most of it to show you how easy it is. So what I did get out just now. Chicken breast pre-bought from the supermarket, kind of chickpeas. This is going to be my sort of ad hoc thing because I didn't have any potatoes. Go back from holidays, need to go shopping, and I got just a bag of spinach which I just grabbed just now. I lied actually to get some stuff out, some tomatoes, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, let's just get this done. As this, so I'm going to tilt the camera down and you can see what I'm doing, and yeah, easy. So I use these little tray things just to use my weighing scales and pop it on. So I'm going to pop that down there, bring you down so you can see now what I'm doing. Oh, I've got a cup of tea there as well, look at that. So this isn't great, guys, but I'll try and bring it up as best I can. Cool. So like I said, I weigh my food normally, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to weigh out my chicken breast. This is cooked chicken, so it's going to probably be about a palm size is what I'm going to be after, okay? It'll be the same for you as well, regardless of your goals. So I'm going to chuck down here, and I'm going to just weigh it, because then I can type this into my FitnessPal. This is how easy it is. So I get my scales here with a pot, put that on there, 132 grams of chicken, straight on my plate, nice and easy. Then I'm going to just rip the lid off my chickpeas. I'm going to drain that out, give me a sec. But I'm going to leave a little bit of the juice in there just to help lubricate it a little bit. Cool. So I've just drained that. So that's my chickpeas in there. Put that over there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my my Ninja blender. Okay, so that's just going to go there. So obviously I'm not going to eat the whole can, but this will be for some tomorrow as well. So I'm chuck that in there. I don't need to weigh it because I already know it's on the back. It's going to be drained product, 2 servings, 122 grams. So that's what I'm going to put into my my FitnessPal. So grab some salt and pepper, some lemon juice and garlic. Alright, so this is pretty simple. Just crack some pepper in there. Crack a little bit of salt in there. So I've got the crushed garlic stuff just because it's just as easier. Like I said, it's all about convenience and making it convenient for yourself. So I'll chuck about that much in, job done. And then usually for the lemon juice, I usually put in probably, I don't know, 4 teaspoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what I'm going to do is put some olive oil in. You're supposed to do it with tahini paste, or I use a nut oil, but I haven't got one. But what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to weigh the oil, just so I know it's about 10 mils goes in there, 15 mils for the whole lot. So right there. Okay, 20 mils, easy, done. Right, so I'm going to pause this for 1 second and then come back once it's done and show you. So that was about a 20-second blast, and as you can see I got my nice awesome hummus in there, which is perfect. I'll take out the blades. This little Ninja is amazing. Take that out. Yep, tastes really good. So I'm going to weigh that, and all I'm going to do is when you say capped handful, okay, when I talk about portion sizes, roughly what's going to fit in there, and I reckon that's going to be about maybe, let's see, 100 grams, I'd say. So take it out, maybe not. I'm looking for about 100 grams anyway, because that's roughly what I want. That's about a serving size. Yeah, 105 in there. So if I was a cup a handful, it'd be about 100 grams. Okay, perfect. That's my hummus done. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make a bit of a salad dressing for my salad. So I got these tiny little pots, perfect Sistema to go, whatever, I don't know. So I'm just going to zero that in, and like I said, it's always, like I said, 2 parts oil, 1 part vinegar. So I'm going to put 10 grams of oil in there, and I'm going to get some balsamic vinegar, which is dead easy. I'm going to put 5 mils in there. That's 5 right there, perfect. And a little bit of salt because we're going there too. A little bit of a mess, but it's all good. And all I'm going to do is chuck that on top, and then give it a shake. Give a couple of seconds, and right, there you go. So now what I'm going to do, baby spinach. So when I'm looking for spinach or veggie type stuff, okay, all I want to do is basically, most of my plate wants to be full up with that, so that's a good old handful. And if I was to, you know, 2 fist sizes, I guess is about right there. That's my salad done. So I'm going to get my tomatoes, and again I'm just going to basically, don't have to do this, but I'm going to do it anyway, is find myself a nice knife, move this out of the way a little bit, and just cut them up, throw them on. Another couple more. Cut them both together, make it a bit easier, a bit quicker. Done, and I'm going to get, yeah, okay, go for cucumber as well. Cut that off. Like I said, I'm not a chef, guys, but this is going to be nice and easy for you. So I cut down the middle, cut the other side, quarter it, cut it in half, and then just chop chunks out of it. And that is job done, pretty much. And now all I'm going to do is get my, put the plate there so you can see, get my vinaigrette that I've already done, and pour that on top. And that is my lunch. What was that? It took me 9 minutes. There you go. So 9 minutes to prepare that. No time at all. Easy, convenient. Probably take you that long to go to McDonald's by the time you drive there, wait and everything else. And obviously, if I wanted to, I could take this with me as well, which I'm going to show you in the week how I actually you know, prepare my meals for the day. But that is really simple. I got to pick up my young fella now in about half an hour. Plenty of time. Job done. That's my meal. So I got my carbohydrate sauce in there, which is my chickpeas. Okay, it's not processed. I just made it myself. Not my chicken breast is about a palm size, and my leafy salad, which is 2 fist sizes. And that is how you make a whole food lunch in 9 minutes.